Welcome back to the video, guys. In this video there are two basic things I want to share with you guys. In this video I want to let you know my honest opinion whether Tower Capital is going to last or is going to collapse in a short time, and also I want to also show you guys how to make use of the coupon which Tower Capital is giving. Now let's first of all consider how to make use of the coupon. If you look at this pop-up on the website page right here, you will see 10 billion subsidies. Please note, dear Tower Research Capital users, the cash vouchers sent by Tower Capital Group to our users are valid for 3 days and will expire on September 19th. We recommend you to use the voucher to purchase FPGA strategy robots. These guys want you to purchase a robot. You will receive 468 USD and unlock the withdrawal function. Tower Research Capital Official Group. Okay, now guys, let's quickly look at how to make use of this coupon. I'm going to, like I told you, I'm going to talk about two basic things. First of all, we're going to look at how to make use of this coupon, and also my honest opinion about this promo. This is kind of a promo they are doing. When a site like this is doing a promo like this, well, I will talk about that. So stick with me and make sure you watch this video to the very end to have my honest opinion about this, so that you can know what decision you actually want to take in this platform. Okay, so let's go into the video to see how to make use of this coupon. For you to make use of this coupon, you just have to click this very icon right here. I've done that and the page is loading. So once you are there on this very page, you can see what I've earned so far from this, and my account is verified. You have to make sure your account is verified. When you sign up, you have to make sure your account is verified. When you sign up, for you to sign up, you have to click the first link in the description of this video to sign up, and follow the the instructions to sign up and sign up. Then make sure your account is verified and you have earned. And now for you to make use of this coupon, you have to come to this very place and click on these coupons right here. Click on coupons. Now these are coupons. Depending on the coupon they give you, you can see $199, $187, $192. If I want to buy a robot, the price of the robot, the robot has prices. These robots right here, let me show you the robot. This robot has prices, and when you buy any of these robots, you will be able to unlock the withdrawal function and you will be able to earn more money. That's it. So these coupons now is to help you to, they are kind of let you know that when you make use of the coupon they give you, which has an expiry date, which is the same, which is September 19th, this very month, in 3 days time. So when you make use of that coupon, let's say for example now, this robot is $305. So if your coupon is $199, for example, you're going to minus the $305, which is the robot price. You're going to minus it. You're going to minus the $199 from the $305. So let's quickly do the mathematics. $199. Let me make use of my calculator right here. $305, which is the actual price of the robot, minus $199, which is $106, which means I'm to purchase this robot with $106 instead of the original price of $199. Sorry, instead of the original price of $305. So I'm going to purchase this robot with $199 instead of this original price of $305, because of the advantage of the coupon which they have given me, and they have given it to every other user of this platform. I hope you guys understood the mathematics I did. Minusing the actual price of this robot minusing the coupon price from the actual price of this robot, minusing the coupon price, which is $199 I have there for the one of the coupons, minusing that $199 from this $305. So I'll be having $106. So instead of buying this robot for $305, I'm buying it for $106. So that is how to make use of that coupon. That is how to get your coupon and make use of it. That is it. So guys, now my honest opinion about this, before I quickly do that, please smash the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. You don't pay money to subscribe. Just tap that subscribe button, smash it, touch it guys, to subscribe to this channel, so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video on this channel. You don't have to miss out on helpful updates that can come up or that always come up from this very channel. So also do well to give this video a thumbs up guys, like this video guys. Now let me give you my honest opinion about this. This is an investment site. Truth be told, it's an investment site. So we all know the things about this. We all know the things about some of these websites. Once they are doing promos like this, most times after they have gained money from the promo, the site crashes. So now this coupon these guys are selling now, they want a lot of users to partake in this promo. And after this promo, anything can happen. Anything can happen. You can also do your own research. This is my own opinion. Anything can happen. The site can collapse. So I only advise that if you are taking any risk, don't take a risk to your own detriment. Do it, don't go beyond your limits. Let me use that word. Don't go beyond your limits, because anything can happen. After this very promo, these guys are going to make a lot of money from this promo. It will seem as if they don't know what they are doing. Once they unlock the withdrawal function, you've bought the coupon, the withdrawal function is unlocked, and you think they will continue to pay all the money. The $205 robot will be making more money for you than the normal money you used to make using the free robot. Now you'll be able to withdraw the money you've made from the free robot, and you'll be able to be making more money. I don't think those guys are fools. I don't think they are going to keep paying the high rates of the money the robot is giving you. I don't think they're going to keep paying that money for a long time, because when they keep paying it for a long time, where will they be getting the money to pay such amount of money to all the users? So the essence of this promo is to get more visibility, to gain more visibility, and to make people to key into it, and to make a lot of people to buy the robots, because they have seen from their back office of the website that probably I believe they have seen that a lot of users are using the free robot and are scared of buying robot. So now they want to use this to entice people to buy the robots. That is my take on this. They want to use this to make people to buy the robot. They want to make use of that, they want to use that coupon to entice people to buy robots. And once a lot of people now buy these robots, assuming they have 500,000 people, or for example, let me just use a lower figure, let me just say 20,000 participants buying the robots at $100 and something instead of $200 and something. You think those guys you think they don't know what they are doing? After all the users buy these robots, in a couple of days the website can crash. You can do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions on these very websites. So you can as well do your own research. But this is my own opinion. So please, I only advise people who love to take my words. I advise that you risk what you can afford to lose. That you can only risk what you can afford to lose. Don't go beyond your limits. That's just an advice, and that's just it. So if you want to sign up to this website, you can click the very first link in the description box of this video to sign up. Then If you need to contact me or to interact with me, if you have any concerns or anything you want to discuss with me, you can join my Telegram group. The link is down below the description box of this video. You can click that very link and join my Telegram group and send me a private message if you want to interact with me. Alright guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, also do well to smash the subscribe button and subscribe and turn on your bell notifications so that you can always get notified on subsequent updates that comes up from this channel. See you on the next one, guys. Drop your comments in the comment section of this video. If you have any comments or any concerns, drop it down there and let's interact. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next one.